Hi guys, I'm ready. Are you ready? Hello, my name is Roberta. Hajnal. I'm happy to share some moments with you. And I was born in Romania, in a small village in the mountains called Petrila. And I was working in the army for 10 years. And in the army, I found out that I can run in the morning for half an hour. So now my profession is running. I'm a professional trail runner. And the other hobby is cooking and spending time with my fiancée, Maria, my future wife. One thing very essential for a trail runner, I think it's the mindset of being better every day. Freedom, simple life, feeling of accomplishment. Don't like to depend from other people. I really like to be on myself and to be free. I find that simple life really wonderful. It's not the only thing I like, but it's coming in complementarily in complex life in the city. So it's a good equilibrium between them. My time spending with Maria, my fiancée, and this year we will get married, so it's an important part in my life now. The idea of starting a family with her, I think it's very important for me now.
Thank you for following us during the UTMB World Series event.